Hey, yeah. Their house is on fire.
I know, I'm knocking on the door and there's nobody answering. Can I help you?
The house next door to you is on fire. Your house is almost on fire.
Okay, thank you.
I've been telling you that.
Can you help me?
Yeah, come on.
Come on. Let me help you.
Come on, baby. Need more help?